My 2012 GE Advantium 120 selector dial turns but does not cause any changes. For example, selecting cook by time and trying to select a time, it remains at 0. Is this a part that I could replace?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. So yes, you definitely have a defective part. If the unit won't change any settings when you turn the knob, it means the potentiometer on the front interface display board has failed and that entire board would need to be replaced. Try to flip the power off to the microwave for 5 minutes first if you haven't tried yet, sometimes that resets the electronics. If not, then the board would just need to be replaced behind the control panel.
Okay, have you actually worked on GE Advantium 120 microwaves? How certain are you that this is the problem, and can you recommend where I could buy the front interface display board? I already had the unit unplugged for an hour.
The encoder interface board is part number WB27 by 11022 and costs about $30 or so. That is the part you need to replace.
I'm handy with building electrical devices, so this is something I can replace myself. Where should I buy the part?
I'm not sure if you keep getting kicked out of chat or not, but it keeps telling me you're leaving, so I'm going to change formats to question and answer.
I'm still here.
Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below.
Okay, have you actually worked on GE Advantium 120 microwaves? How certain are you that this is the problem, and can you recommend where I could buy the front interface display board? I already had the unit unplugged for an hour. Read more, http://www.justanswer.com/appliance/8ZQ33 2012 GE Advantium 120 selector dial turns does not cause. HTML #93ML4Who3.
Have I worked on GE Advantium 120 microwaves? I hope that is a joke, as you are asking a technician that does this for a living. Of course I've worked on these units, or I wouldn't be advising you what needs to be done. As for buying the part locally, I'm out of Colorado, so I couldn't say, but usually I recommend buying parts online at repairclinic.com.
No, I was not joking. I'm told by local repair folks that not many like to work on Advantium microwaves, hence my simple question. No offense was intended, and your tone needs improvement.
I think you are putting tone to my words, as no tone was intended at all. I'm here to help. Please don't read into it more than what was said.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.